Hi friends, today is second day at Niagara Falls, New York. In morning we did Cave of the Winds. Now in second half we will do Maid of the Mist. The Maid of the Mist boat tour in Niagara Falls, New York has been one of the highlights of Niagara trip. It is a favorite Niagara Falls State Park attraction for more than 150 years. The Maid of the Mist journey begins at the observation tower, where guests are given a rain poncho to wear and board the double-deck Maid of the Mist tour boat. From there, the boat ferries past the base of the American Falls, and onto the basin of Horseshoe Falls, the dramatic passage leading you through the roiling waterfall, whitewater and massive rock formations. The Maid of the Mist returns guests to shore with newfound appreciation of the power and grandeur of Niagara Falls. Let's go.
Yeah, in this boat we'll go Sunday. Look, Renko, Sierra and Mama and Renko. Papa, 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 papa. The boat started.
Good day, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to take a few moments to find the closest location view and review the instructions. Also, for your own safety, or exhaust viewers, and are unlike any others that journey to the heart of Niagara Falls. The company announced the Maid. This happens at a rate of approximately 6 feet or 2 meters a year. Most of the rock at the base of the falls fell during two spectacular rock slides in 19... Our all-electric vessels utilize a state-of-the-art propulsion system, which includes thrusters in each hull. These new boats are the first of their kind in North America. And wow! Changing our lives forever. James is named for the chairman and chief executive. Is Niagara Falls.
Bambi, hold mama hand. Come back. Upper deck capacity 300 passengers.
I like Cave of Wind more than Maid of Mist.
Yeah.
Cave of Wind ಉದ್ದಪುರ ಹೇಗಲ್ಲ.
Yeah,
I
Cave
like,
of Wind was more adventurous.
yeah. Plus, we got a soul sweat. We likes Cave of the Winds more than Maid of the Mist. Ticket price is $28.25 for adults and $17.75 for youth. Once the ride begins, you hear the roar of the falls getting louder, and the mist starts to surround you. The cool spray feels refreshing. Getting so close to the falls, you see the powerful water crashing down and colorful rainbows in the mist. This ride isn't just a boat trip. It's a thrilling way to experience one of the world's most beautiful natural wonders. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Stay tuned.